Hello and welcome to MTDCNC. Today we are here at EMO 2025 and I'm here with my friend Praveen, who's the
Hi to
sales
everyone.
manager for WFL India. WFL is known for world-class mill-turn technologies, and I am here with my friend Praveen, who's going to tell us about market situation in India. Because India is one of the fastest growing market and one of the fastest growing economy as well.
Exactly.
So Praveen, tell
India
me,
is,
how is the situation in India now?
India is the world largest economy and a growing population, and which is giving us an opportunity to be a global sourcing hub. And a lot of active investment is going towards to the sector of machine tool, which will be complementing the other industrial segments like aerospace, engineering, and valves, compressors, and energy infrastructure, oil and gas, and etc. And India is also an incubation center for the English-speaking engineers, which we are getting almost 500,000 every year out. And so this is going to be one of the biggest opportunity for the companies to invest in India in compared to the other Eastern market. And compared to the Western market, we are into a magnitude of 15 to 25% price reduction in the manufacturing, cost reduction in the manufacturing. These are all the interesting things in India for the investment as concerned. And a lot of global companies are investing, and India is going to be a global sourcing hub in the coming era. This is what my feeling.
We have such a young population, and we have 1.5 billion people here, right? And they have a demand, and there is manufacturing sector is booming because Indian government is also pushing made in India projects, right?
Exactly.
And there are a lot of PLI schemes, a lot of private investments are coming in different sectors. So I think it's going to be a really good next 2 decades will be really transforming for Indian manufacturing sector.
Absolutely correct.
So I think you must be having a lot of demands for your products. Like what kind of projects you are doing in India right now?
We are working with 25 years. We are working in India, and all the key segments, key manufacturing segments are using our machines, and we are some sort of trendsetters in the market. We are educating the companies how they can manufacture the parts in more an economical way, and also we are showing the way for the new investors how they can be more competitive in the challenging world. And basically, we are very successful in India in aerospace industries where people are manufacturing the quite complex components and oil and gas parts. And I don't want to name any companies, because then we have to name many. So I would very specific with the answers. And then oil and gas, engineering industries, plastic industries, and energy infrastructure. So many companies are using our machines for decades and very successful with our machines.
I think you're absolutely right because, as we already spoken, 1.5 billion. So energy demand is high,
Correct.
and travel is increasing. So aerospace demand is also very high. And I think the Indian government is promoting that you have to manufacture. If you are buying Boeing and Airbus planes, components has to be manufactured in India. With such high demand, that's why aerospace and oil and gas sector are booming, right? And
Exactly.
it's going to increase and increase for next few decades.
Yes,
so I think it's a big opportunity.
Yeah, we are. I would say that we are the fourth biggest aviation industry.
Wow.
And it's an emerging, of course. And so naturally the demand for the air traveling and air-related activities are much more. So a lot of investments are coming in that segment. And we are a specific company with big references worldwide, and many global manufacturing companies are using our machines. And so these references will make us further success in India, sure.
Definitely. And that's why I can see a lot of Indian customers are also coming to your stall.
Well, of course, yeah.
And you are getting a really good response here in EMO.
Yes, we found a lot of new faces from Indian customers. We are very active in Indian market, but we can still see a lot of new faces in India. And first day was a lot of crowd. I can find it, and I'm expecting more customers from India. And we have been having a lot of inquiries, a lot of requests, and a lot of opportunities are on the way. And I'm sure our the growth in India will be substantial.
So let's talk about elephant in the room. Like you have launched a new machine, such a big boy, M70 Milton. So can you please explain about that?
70 is a new member in our product portfolio. And indeed, it was waiting for quite a long time to have a segment of M70, and which will be catering for the all the industrial segment with the diameter length proportionate, and we can go up to 8 meter with a turning diameter of 850 millimeter, A11 and A15 spindles, and it can give 35 kilowatts milling unit and 45 kilowatt milling unit with all the WFL enhanced capabilities of a 4-axis turning center, a 5-axis machining center, deep hole drilling machine, and gear cutting machine, and with a lot of grinding capabilities, and it can also do a lot of measurement in the machine itself. And the beauty of that is all these operations can be done simultaneously when the workpiece is in the clamp condition. So this will ensure that a high quality workpiece has been produced from this machine as an output, with very few clamping. And apart from that, apart from the machine is being designed to cater the small and medium workpieces, complex workpieces, and all the WFL software sequences can be combined for EC machining and EC operations. Okay. The unique constructional advantage of WFL machine is the heart of this machine, and it can also simplify the operator requirements, and EC programming is possible by using WFL on software cycles.
Fantastic. I think this is newly launched machine, and that's why people are flocking there and want to see this big boy. A lot of crowd is over there. I think it's a good, successful show going on for you.
Yeah, sure. And WFL booth is always an attraction for customers,
Yes.
So this is one of the maybe the main center of attraction for EMO. We are quite proud of that because we always bring. You can also see in the exhibition booth with plenty lot of components, variety of parts. Maybe you can show in the following videos.
Definitely.
And interesting machines and interesting automation segment, and the parts which is demonstrated with all the operation is possible and expected by a customer to perform in a machine. So WFL booth is the center of attraction for EMO, always.
Fantastic. And I think a lot of customers are waiting for you. You are a very busy guy today. So I'll let you go. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks a lot.
I appreciate MTDC for coming here and giving an opportunity to showcase our product and also few words about us through your platform. I wish all the success for you as well.
Thank you so much. Very kind of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.